How to apply for a GrabFood delivery motorcycle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a GrabFood delivery motorcycle. First of all, you need to open up your Google. Next, go to the Grab website, or you can also download the Grab application on your phone. So tap the search bar and simply type apply as a GrabFood delivery. Next, tap on the second link over here. After that, you'll be directed to this page. Now, on this web page, you will find guidelines regarding GrabFood delivery. Then go ahead and tap on the sign up button here. After that, you have to input your name, city, mobile number, and referral code. Depending on your location, Grab might ask you to do some trading. It helps you learn how to use their app and deliver orders properly. Also, make sure your motorcycle is good to go and has all the safety features Grab needs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.